This is the screen of the PS2 once it's mounted, air is applied and powered up. The top numbers are relevant. What we're looking for is the no initialization at the bottom. If you press and hold the enter key, it will take you to the calibration menu. The first thing it asks is what type of actuator. Then, where to set the ratio control. On rotary, it's always going to be 90 degrees. That's in the up position. We go to number 4, which is no initialization. Press and hold the plus key and it will start the calibration. It will go into 5 runs. Run number 2 is where it'll fault. You adjust the clutch wheel here. You adjust the clutch wheel until on the bottom line, it will show a large 0 in the middle. You'll be somewhere between 6 and 7, generally, but there are degrees of freedom. Press the plus key to start again. It will automatically go into run number 3. And run number 3 will show you up and down times in seconds, 3 times. While it's showing you that, if you hit the plus key, it will do the leak test. This leak test takes roughly a minute, and it's very important that you do this. It's testing itself, the tubing, and the actuator for any pneumatic leaks. If it leaks, you're going to have hunting problems as time goes on. Once the test is over, it will show you a number. That number will be travel and percent per minute. Obviously zeros are best, but that might not be possible, especially on a refit where you have an older actuator and older equipment. Anything on the right side of the decimal is acceptable if you have to. As we see, there's no leak here. That's as good as you're going to get. Press the plus key and it will automatically go into run number 4. In run number 4, you'll hear various pulsings. That's the actuator size being determined by the positioner based on dynamic response. Those pulses are not factory set. The microprocessor decides the pulse length based on the response of the actuator. There's no adjustment in run number 4 either. It will eventually move on to run number 5. Once the positioner goes into run number 5, it's going to stroke the valve, make certain adjustments as far as the microprocessor goes. One question we get asked all the time is, how long does this take? Well, there's no set point, no set time. The difference in the size of actuator will obviously make a difference in how long it takes to calibrate. Also, if you do leave a leak and have to leave some sort of leak, it takes a little more time to integrate that in. There are no adjustments on run number 5. When it gets finished, it will tell you finish, and then you'll be done. You're now finished. It says finish. It tells the full rotation. Now if you press the enter key, it takes you back to where you started. Press it and hold it. It comes up with the software version, and it comes up in manual. Press the button again, it goes into automatic. You're on the system now, responding to the signal.